A very beautiful day to make barbecue. Christmas is coming, so make some barbecue to celebrate. Barbecue is going really well. Here has avocado tree branches. It's from that avocado tree. After 12 hours barbecuing, it's ready. Looks really nice. Nice ring there. We are going to cut it. Here is the heads part, so we're going to cut it. Looks very nice. When you cut, you try to cut across the grain. Another tip here, actually, if after you take the brisket out and let it cool for a while, then it's much easier to cut. Here are our barbecue ribs. Here are our barbecue brisket. It's very nice, very juicy. Thanks for watching.